I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're unboxing the new PLR 5900. This is the premier lift chair by Mobility, so stay tuned. So this is the Vivalift Premier Lift Chair by Mobility. It's called the PLR 5900. When it arrives, it's going to arrive in a pallet like this, in a box like this. Before we get to unboxing though, if you're looking to order one of these units or you want to know pricing, there's going to be a link in the description below. Just click on that. It'll take you to our website. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And now we're going to get to unboxing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my knife and we're going to cut the top of the box where the tape is. Just pay attention, be careful. Don't cut into your product. So I like to do the sides first. And then that way I can lift this and cut this way. It's a lot safer that way. There is some cardboard up top protecting it, but still just be careful when cutting. So here is your instruction manual and owner's manual. And then I can see the chair right up top. What I'm going to do to get this out, I don't see anything else up top here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my knife and we're going to cut the sides of the box. There is a little like protective cardboard there. Just again, be careful. Just look, don't stick your knife too deep in there. Just don't cut your product. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut here, make sure it's clear. And as you can see, here's the recliner. We got the back right here, or this is the base, the back is here. I'm going to go ahead and cut this back one too, just to give me more room to work with. There we go. Like I said, there is some, you got this protective cardboard here, but just be careful again if you miss or go too far to the side. I don't want you cutting into this. So the reason I cut this side is because the base is right here. So all I'm going to do is just tilt it down towards me. And if you have to get a second person, you can. This recliner is kind of heavier than some of the other ones. And I just set it down safely. Down on the base, we have our two backrests. They slide into the back once you get that attached. And then this is our back. And then right under here, this is going to be your charger and your remote. So we'll go ahead and set this to the side. And now I'm going to take a moment to clean up all the packing material and then we're going to get to the actual unboxing next. So here's all the pieces to the lift chair. You got the backrest here. We have our base, our two back brackets. And now we're going to add the, we're going to slide the back on. Now, in the owner's manual, they're going to give you these two screws and an Allen wrench. That is going to go in here. So the back is going to slide onto here, then we're going to add these screws in. I do recommend a second person for this, just to help you line it up a little bit better. Good?
I'm good. Are you good?
Yep, I'm going to push down. Nice. There we go. When you push it down, you will hear an audible click. That's how you know that it is in. From there, we're going to grab those screws and they're going to go in here. I'll show you in a video overlay what it looks like. Now we're in the base of the chair where you can see all the wires from the back and the wires from the base are kind of all together. Luckily, they are all color coded, so that makes it really easy. We also have our charger here. This has a lithium battery backup on it. This allows you to, let's say the power runs out on your, in your house during a storm or something. This allows you to power the chair so you're not stuck in the chair without power. So what this will do, will connect down here. So this is our main power. Then the clip only goes in one way, and then you will clip this down. Again, up here, these are all color coded. So you're going to connect the purple to the purple, yellow to yellow, gray to gray. Then there are a few other connections here as well. This is going to be your sound system and your heat and massage. So these both go into here. And I don't believe it matters which of these. They're not especially labeled, so you can get these two either direction. Then we have our last two over here. And most of these only clip in one way. There we go. Once that's done, there is some Velcro up top holding your back flap down. So then we can go ahead and put this down, and you're good to go. So here's our back pieces. There's two of them. We'll go ahead and move this foam out of the way, and they are labeled. So this is number 1, goes to number 1. So you're just going to slide that on. Just like that. And you do the same thing to the other side. So now we're going to mount our remote. The remote comes in this long box here. What's cool about this is you can mount the remote right or left-handed. It is ran on both sides. And then, so whichever side you pick, inside the pouch on the side, there's actually going to be a cable. I should have a picture up on the screen that shows you what it looks like. Or you can mount this in here, and there's one of these cables on the other side as well, so that makes it a lot easier. So go ahead and connect my remote. We're good to go. And this chair actually has built-in magnets on the side, and the remote is magnetic. So let me get this plastic off of here. So you don't have to keep the remote down in the pouch, you know, where it's hard to reach. It mounts on the side just like that. So you can stick it right there, and it's easy to grab for you. Now let's go over some of the other features on this chair to wrap up this unboxing. So up front, if we push this out, we're going to have a USB port and a lightning charger, as well as a little mounting port. If you ever want a tray or any accessories that come with it, there's a mounting port here, and a phone charger that's wireless is built into this side. So the chair will charge your phone. On this side, under the arms, I'll have a picture of what it looks like. You got some storage. Then you also have the built-in Bluetooth speakers. So you can control the volume, treble, bass, and you can also control the vibration. The chair has built-in vibration for whenever you're watching something. And then there's a little headphone jack, which is why they give you this cable. It's a really long cable too, a little auxiliary one. So you can connect your phone to this, you can run it to your TV. If you have the old style TV with the stereo, they have an adapter cable right here for you as well. On the other side, you have storage and then a really deep storage down here. And then we push this out and there's a cup holder. It's kind of a gyrating cup holder too. It's not fixed, so it kind of moves with your drink. Then a second accessory port on here as well. So once again, this is the PLR 5900. This is the Vivalift Premier lift chair by Marcs Mobility. This unit is available now. You can check in the link in the description for pricing or to order one of these, or just give us a call. We could help talk you through if you ever want to buy one or you're looking for a different model. Just give us a call. We'd love to help you out. Make sure that this is perfect for your needs. So once again, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.